In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish and test your card.so website. Let's dive in and transform your creative ideas into a live working website. The first step in this process is to use the card editor to design your one-page website. You can bring your vision to life by incorporating elements such as text, images, buttons, and various other features to customize and personalize your page to suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to take the next step and make it public. To do this, simply click on the Publish button located right within the card editor. This is an exciting moment as you're about to bring your creation to the world. Before finalizing, you need to enter a compelling title for your website. This title will not only appear in search engine results, but will also be visible on browser tabs, giving users a first impression of your site. In addition to the title, you'll need to craft a concise and engaging description of your website. This description serves a dual purpose. It helps improve your website's visibility in search engine listings and also provides a brief overview in user bookmarks, enticing visitors to explore further. Next, you'll decide on your website's domain. You have two options here. You can either use a free card subdomain, such as your name.card.so, or opt for a custom domain, which might be something like yourdomain.com. If you choose the card subdomain, the process is straightforward. Simply enter your desired site name in the provided field, and you're all set. On the other hand, if you opt for a custom domain, there are a few extra steps to follow. First, if you haven't already secured a domain, you'll need to register one with a domain registrar. Some popular options include Cloudflare, Namecheap, and Porkbun. After securing your domain, you'll need to set up DNS records. To do this, follow the detailed instructions available in the card documentation. This step is crucial as it ensures your domain points correctly to your card site. Once your DNS is all configured, return to the card editor and enter your custom domain name. With everything in place, you can now hit the Publish button, making your website live and ready for the world to see. After the publication, don't forget to click the View Site button to open your website in a new browser tab. This is your chance to see your masterpiece in action. Now it's time to test everything thoroughly. Go through your site and check all links, buttons, and interactive elements to ensure everything functions as expected. By following these steps, you've successfully published and tested your card.co website. Congratulations on making your website live.